Okay, this is Packet Tracer Lab 5.3.9.3. In this lab, we're going to be backing up a Cisco router's configuration files to a TFTP server. I'm going to access the customer router through my PC. I'm going to connect using a terminal connection. Password protected. I'm going to enter privilege exec mode by entering enable and my password. I'm going to create a configuration file. I'm going to save it. I'm going to use the command copy run start. I just saved the configuration files to NVRAM to my router. I'm going to take that file and I am going to copy it to the TFTP server by using the command copy startup config TFTP, and the address is to my local server 192.168.1.10. Destination file name is going to stay default customer router config. The configuration files were copied to the server. The next portion of this lab, I'm going to go ahead and test this by erasing the startup config and then copying it back to the router from my server. So I'm going to use the command erase startup config. I'm going to reload the router. Once this router is done reloading, I'm going to configure the interfaces so that I have connectivity from my router to my server so I can access the configuration files stored on the server. So no password required because I erased the startup configurations and I reloaded the router. I'm going to type enable access privilege exec mode. I'm going to access global configuration mode. I'm going to configure interface FA0/0 with an IP address 192.168.1.1 255.255.0. I'm going to enable this by doing the no shutdown command. Next, I'm going to enable the interface serial 0/0/0 by doing the no shutdown. Okay, I'm going to exit out of this global configuration mode. Next, I just want to do a quick connectivity test to see if I can ping my server. Okay, it looks like I have connectivity to the server. I want to get that file that I stored on the server and transfer it to my router to back up my router. I'm going to use the command copy TFTP running config command. The address is 192.168.1.10. The file name was customer router config. Okay, it looks like it copied it back over. I'm going to do a copy run start to save the changes I've made. I want to do a quick connectivity test by doing, I should be able to ping the other side of this network. Since I restored my configuration files, I'm going to ping 209.165.201.10, which is my other server on the other side of the network. And it looks like it came back with 100%. So that's it for backing up a Cisco router using a TFTP server. Thank you for watching. This is the end.